Very nice little easy area to see when you pull in. You can't miss the driveway, thankfully. All right, so it is called Beamer Memorial Conservation Area. Open sunrise to sunset. Perfect. So I've never been to this actual conservation area before. And wow, that sunlight is just streaming through. Well, I thought this would be an interesting place this week to take some pictures, go on a bit of a hike, see if we can see any interesting wildlife or any interesting compositions. Hopefully something definitely catches our eye. Although it's fairly bright out, about to walk right on the direct sunlight. Oof. Oof. Oh, well, whatever. We're gonna go stand over here in the shade. Holy cow, it's bright. All right, we're gonna turn around so you guys can see. So we have that. There's spider webs everywhere. All right, let's go explore. Apparently there's a washroom over here too. May have to use the facilities after. Hopefully it's clean. Always something you have to kind of take a crapshoot on. I wonder if I should go up on the lookout little post thing. Might as well. I don't think there'll be very much for me to look at, but whatever. Might as well try it out. All right. So the grass is freshly cut, and I might as well walk through. We'll have a little look up there, see if anything else looks interesting. Just to kind of start off with, then we're gonna go to the main trail over there. Okay, the Niagara Peninsula Hawk Watch Viewing Tower. This tower, which will help members of the Niagara Peninsula Hawk Watch. Bloop. All right, let's head up the stairs. Quite amazing up here. Lookout Trail. All right. Hopefully soon we can get my camera out too and actually take some pictures. So we have the Bruce Trail. Lookout Trail, 920 meters. Then we have the Bruce Trail over there. This is really interesting. types of raptors. And then they also have backgrounds, history, geology, plants, animals, and what to do. And together, looks like this. So you start off with this right at the beginning. Lookout Trail, approximately 920 meters or 25-minute walk. Well, let's see if we can do that a bit quicker. All trail, use at own risk. Well, gee, thanks. Like, I didn't know that. Well, we've come to the first divergence in the path. Look at this. Wow, that is one heck of a tall tree. So you can actually see the kind of dense foliage that you're actually walking through over here. If it was a lot warmer out, I bet you the bugs and the midges would be just ridiculous right now. Nothing worse than trying to come out here and hike around and being bitten alive. Today though, the weather is phenomenal. Now, I wasn't quite sure which way to go. This one is a bit more uphill and it says lookout point, so we're going uphill. Although for all I know, it turns us around, we go back the opposite direction eventually, but I don't know. It'll be interesting to see how long this trail goes for. 7:07. So we'll see how long this trail takes us. I'm looking around trying to find any compositions, but the trees are starting to grow back now, so everything is really dense. And the sun rays are kind of cutting through at interesting angles. Plus there's also bike paths and other stuff that just keeps diverging everywhere. I wonder how long it will actually take. It's at 25 minutes on the walk back there for 900 meters. 12 minutes to go, fit 3 feet equals a yard. All right, so we have a divergence here. We have the left path and the straight path over here. No idea where we're going or what's gonna happen, so we're gonna try this one first. See how the dynamic range looks coming through the camera. Oh, we have an observation post. Oh yeah, look at that. What an incredible view. Look at the city over there. Let's zoom you guys in a little bit. There's even a bit of a haze over the city. Oh, traffic's starting to get a little bit backed up. All right, now first things first, I do not want to lose any of my camera equipment, so I'm going to be very careful around the edge over here, obviously. Wowzers, the sunlight is really warming up right now. Hoo-wee. Thanks for stopping by the channel, guys. Catch you again next week.